Hello and welcome. Remember VLMC, VideoLAN Movie Creator? We're gonna actually try to use it. So when we start, we have to give it a name, test project, and we have to pick the resolution. We're gonna just go for 720p. It crashes easily, so we're gonna keep it on the low. Okay, finish. Now let's get in some clips. OGG format for audio is, by the way, not supported currently yet. Might as well don't know how to can I remove it? No, I cannot remove it, so that's stuck here forever. Well, we can drag things into a timeline. We can zoom into a timeline. We can move things on the timeline. We have multiple tracks as well. I just pressed Ctrl S, so let's save this as tests. Okay, please work with music. Oh, come on, please work with the music. And let maybe test play. Oh yes, it works. Ah yes, the music plays back as well. Nice, okay. We're getting... Oh, and it crashed. Well, it has crash recovery, that's nice, but can't restore. Sorry. We can double click this, but we have now enough information to load this project, which... No, they don't. There's nothing here. Well, these things are here, but the timeline is gone. Alright, let's try to build this video again. Please don't crash. I actually kind of know where the cut is supposed to be, so let's just preview. Come on, preview. It's super slow. It is super slow, it's super unstable, but it is being worked on at a snail's pace. Last commit 4 months ago. And there are no official builds, so this is an unofficial build. Wow. Okay, let's make a cut. I'm just gonna hope it's around here. And then make some cuts here as well. Here and here might be good enough. Let's just get rid of that part. Delete key, yes. Delete key, yes. I mean, enter. And these things jump easily, so we're gonna have to zoom in on these. Oh, we're gonna have to zoom in on these frames here. Okay. Well, there's no effect, so I doubt there are any transitions either. Let's zoom in on this one. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at that. And don't worry about the project preview. I guess we don't need it. Well, let's drag in some music. Maybe like... yeah, this one there, please don't crash, and make a cut around here, please don't crash, delete that part. Oh yeah, I should have told it not to ask me again. And then I think this one should be, yeah, I think this is good. Cut, it crashed, oh no. We're gonna start with the music. If it's gonna crash always with music, then let's go ahead and only use one clip later. So we're gonna cut this. Can I like cut this? X is for cut tool and N is... Oh, wow, this project actually saved clips. Okay, that's cool. Let's save every step and try to use this music. And can I cut it, please? Thank you. And N is for select tool. And now I'm gonna just add another music track, please. Okay, and delete this. Okay, I'm just gonna try to render it. Please let me just render. Okay, so far so good. Test.mp4, how about that? Come on, don't crash. It's, oh my goodness, it's actually rendering. It crashed. Well, I have a file here, but I don't think it's the one I want. Well, there is music. Well, okay. I mean, it rendered something, but maybe we can recover that project? No? Please? Oh, come on. What? Oh, there we go. The music is still there. Cut it here. Select here. Not gonna cut the music. Let's just try to render it like that. Okay, let's see if test 2 works. We cannot change the video and audio codecs anyway. Okay, there are some glitches. Ah, it crashed again. Did it work? Okay, no, that was not an improvement. So, oh man. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna just keep trying to render. I know it's stupid, but I really want to. Come on now. No. Yeah, I can't get it to work. But this is it. This is VideoLAN Movie Creator 2020. Stay away from it if you know what's good for you. Until next time with a more serious video, ciao.